All right, this is the haul from the creek. Got quite the little collection of interesting rocks. This one will look really good if we cut it in half. It's gonna have kind of just a profile of all those different colors. One I thought was really cool though was this guy. Check out this jasper. It's almost like a moss agate with all the, with all the little feathering in there. But I just love that I got all those all those different colors going on. That mixture looks really good. If I cut this up and then tumble it, should look pretty awesome.